Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a form on Wix. This is a fantastic way to integrate custom forms, contact forms, or any third-party form directly into your Wix website, making it seamless for your visitors to interact with your content. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you a few options. From here, click on Website. This will take you to the specific website settings where you can manage all aspects of your site. From here, you can see the website settings you have. Make sure that this is the website you wish to embed a form to. It's important to double-check this, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account, so you're making changes to the correct one. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it to proceed. This button is your gateway to editing and customizing the visual elements of your website. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. From here, locate the Add Element button located on the left navigation panel of your screen and click on it. This button opens up a library of elements you can add to your site, from text and images to interactive features like forms and embeds. Next, locate the Embed Code element and click on it. Under the popular Embed section, you'll see an option labeled Embed HTML. Click the plus icon next to it to add it to your site. This element is crucial because it allows you to insert custom HTML code directly into your Wix page, giving you the flexibility to integrate external forms or widgets that aren't native to Wix. You'll be directed to the HTML settings window. This is where you paste your form HTML code to make it usable on your Wix website. Simply paste the code into the provided field. Take your time here to ensure the code is copied correctly, as any missing characters or errors could prevent the form from displaying properly. Once pasted, simply click on Apply, and that's it. You've successfully embedded a form on your Wix website. Your visitors can now interact with the form directly from your site, whether it's for collecting information, taking surveys, or processing orders. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.